Hey, it's James from All Hail Internal Combustion. I did it again. Me and James Jr. went down last night and we picked up this 91 Chevy S10 with a 5-speed and a 2.8 liter V6 in it. I bought it out of Maryland off some young dude. All in all, it's really not in bad shape. It's showing 181,000 miles on the clock. It runs like dog crap. I drove it like 50 miles home last night, and I got it up to 65 miles an hour, and I was going downhill with a stiff breeze at my back. So it does need some work. Body wise, it's not really horrible. It's got a couple little minor dings on it. Not a substantial amount of rust. It needs a paint job, of course. It's got factory Chevy rims off of, I believe, a better model S10 or a newer model S10. I don't know if I'm going to keep them or not. I don't really love them all that much. I think it would look better with rallies on it. And it's got small tires in the back and big tires up in the front, so I guess they must have thought it was a front-wheel drive. I don't know what the logic is, and it's got a major alignment issue. It just might be these big, huge tires on the front. But we got to get that sorted out, too. Interior-wise, not in horrible shape. Dashboard's a little cracked. That's to be expected. It's got Chevy Blazer seats in it. It is a 5-speed. So that's workable. But under the hood's where I'm going to be spending a fair amount of time. Let me see if I can get this thing open with one hand. Yep, hold on a minute. Alright, so there it is, 2.8 liter V6. I've worked on these motors in the past, not a whole lot. I think part of the problem is, I don't know how long this thing sat between owners, because the dude I bought it off of said he didn't drive it. So, I don't know how long it actually sat without being driven. I got a feeling the fuel is contaminated, so I'm going to have to flush the gas tank, put a new fuel filter in it. Probably going to have to do cap, plugs, wires, all that. Do a compression test on it. They had some kind of crazy stuff going on, previous owner, with wires going down to the starter because for some reason it wouldn't start. It starts with the key. It's a little fidgety every once in a while. But other than that, it's okay. The oil was okay. There's no signs of water or anything on the dipstick. The antifreeze, on the other hand, is completely vile. It just looks like somebody has never changed it. It's brown and nasty, and that's friggin' disgusting. So I'm gonna be doing a cooling system flush on it. But the motor looks pretty clean, and for the most part unmolested. There's not a lot of butchery and hackery going on in here, so just have to tear into this thing and see what's what. But that'll be in an upcoming video. Just wanted to do a really quick walk around on this and show you guys what we picked up and what we're doing with it. I'm basically planning on using this for a back and forth beater truck for a while till I get the motor sorted out for the El Camino. And then this will probably be getting a V8 swap, 305 or 350. I'm not sure which. I like the fact that this truck is only a heat non-AC truck. That just leaves so much more room to work. And this truck did come with a set of V8 swap headers and also a set of Lakewood traction bars, which just helps justify me paying what I did for it. And I didn't pay a lot for it. I've seen some really rust ball S10s out there that people want like $2,000 and $3,000 for. I didn't pay anywhere near that for this. So keep an eye out for upcoming videos. 91 S10 project. Get this thing running, registered, tagged, all that crap, and have some fun with it.